Hey there, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to take a quick walk through a 2025 Sea Ray 29. First thing you're going to notice is this one is powered with twin Mercury 250 Verados. Now I actually have the motors running so you can hear how quiet these things actually are. Good access all the way across the transom. Port side, there is a really neat step over ladder there. We do have the ladder as well on the starboard side. You're going to have two transom seats here. If you're hanging out at the island, if you're anchored out for the day, you sit back here, you have a nice little cooler, some storage, and they actually extend a little further to be able to lay down. Great access on the starboard side here, walking into the cockpit. One step down, you enter a very large entertainment area here. All the way along the port side, we have L-shaped seating. You do also have a ton of storage all the way around. You can see the blue LED lights that I have all sitting on. Starboard side, we have a really nice storage area here. Access for any additional items you have on board. A nice ice chest here and also a sink. At the helm, you're going to notice this thing has a Simrad Electronics 12-inch GPS screen, Fusion stereo controls, your full throttles, everything you need to be safe on the water and navigate nicely. Port side, we're going to have a really nice vacuum flush head here with an overboard discharge. Don't really see these on a lot of boats under 30 feet. Really neat option. Ton of entertainment space here. You can probably sit about 7 to 10 people comfortably. We do have a few tables that go in a few different areas. Moving forward, you're going to notice you have two forward-facing seats here. Ton of space to lounge out. Great access to bars if you're getting some chop, and also cup holders all over, and good access up to the windlass. Once again, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Clearwater, 2025 Sea Ray 29 SDX. Give me a call. Let's get you out on the water.